how to accept collaboration requests on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find and then accept a request to collaborate on a post or reel within the Instagram app. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to accept a collaboration request, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app, then just navigate to your profile. And from your profile, select the little tag icon below Share Profile. This will show you the different posts that you've been tagged on Instagram. All we need to do is simply select any post where we have been added as a collaborator. So first I'll show you on a post and then I'll show you on a reel. So I'll select the post. And as you can see, under the post, it says review. If I select that, all I need to do is select accept, and then it will say you're now a collaborator on this post. On a reel, same thing, select it and select review, and then just select accept. That's how you accept collaboration requests on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.